Hi guys, it is Tuesday and I'm excited to bring to you the new September kit for scrapbookingstore.com. I am on their design team and they sent me this lovely package I thought I would share, and this should be uploaded on September 1st. The collection that was sent is called Scholastic by Authentique. I've been a fan of Authentique for many years. And this collection has some lovely vintage icons and papers that I think go very well with the theme of going back to school. There are a couple of other items that they sent, but I want to first go through the papers. And this is just the main kit. If you want to upgrade, there is, you can go on the scrapbookingstore.com website and pick if you want to go month to month or if you want to do a year-long membership, and you get access to the Facebook group, and we share lots of fun things over there. But I did want to also say my kids are grown, and so I received this kit and I was like, I'm gonna really have to think outside the box because I don't have back to school pictures or anything like that, because, well, I mean, one of my daughters just graduated a trade school and my other daughter is in nursing school, so I guess they're technically in school or just got out, but they are not small children anymore. So I do have some ideas of some ways I'm going to use this that are not going to be school related. I can always get my daughter to send me a picture of her studying or what have you, so that's an option. But I thought, you know, I can do things like I have a grandchild now. I can certainly fussy cut out some of these icons and use them on her baby layouts. There's also some colors in here that I think would be very useful for masculine layouts for Bab. There's also, you know, I am always learning and educating myself on physical fitness and personal training and nutrition, and so I may be able to do some selfies and some journaling related to that. And I don't know, I was just trying to come up, I've got some ideas in the works, but I'm gonna end up sharing those with you in September, so why spend a lot of time explaining what I can do when I can show you what we've got in this lovely kit. So this is the cut aparts. These are the 3x4s and obviously adorable. I love the vintage. It reminds me of my childhood, or even my parents' childhood. You would see a lot more of these type of iconic children and the little cherub faces and the little 1950s teacher. This Hey There Smarty Pants, I could certainly cut that out and put it on layout with Bab because he can be a smarty pants. And then this is the back, and it is beautiful. This one is called Scholastic 8, and this would be great for journaling. It could be related to work as well. I'm always programming for personal training. Bab has company functions that we go to where I could do a lot of journaling related to that. So this is a really cute paper that I like. This one is also Scholastic 7, and so I guess this is the B side probably. And it's just got a lovely vintage color. It's like a light seafoam with some tone-on-tone dots, and also some vintage like muted colors in like a mustard and a red and an orange and another darker seafoam green. So that's super cute. And then this must be the A side, which is another cut apart. This is adorable. I love the large icon here. I mean, if you were doing mini albums, can you imagine the amount of things you could do with some of these larger cut aparts? You could do a whole mini album out of these 4x6s. That's a great idea. I love the little vintage typewriter and glasses. Bab and I use glasses for like transitioning light when I drive, but He wears them 24/7 because he's kind of blind. This would be great for travel. I know it's related to geography, but if you don't take geography class, you can always use it for noting a travel. This one has a ton of the little glasses. It is adorable. I love that. Super fun. This is... Sorry guys, oddly enough, my camera died and I thought I had a full charge, but I had another one charged, so we're back at it. This one is Scholastic 3 paper, and it has some lovely, it almost looks like a black and white, but it's an off-white, and the icons are that dark. It's not like a true black, it's like a light black, and it's got children running and skipping, and fence lines with trees, and kids on swings. It's just adorable. And then this one you could definitely use for a man's masculine type of layout, Father's Day, or something related to maybe sports. This is just it's not a plaid, but it's just geometric that it almost makes you feel like it's a plaid, and it's got those mustard yellows and the reds and the navies. It's just really, really, really cute. This one is the, oh, and I forgot to tell you, on some of these, on the branding strip, there's this cute little education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. So all of these have some little saying down at the bottom. It may be the same saying now that I'm looking at it. Yeah, it's the same saying on each page, but this is Scholastic 6, and it's got the classic icon of the apple for the teacher. Very, very cute. This would be perfect for summer layouts. And then you've got the plaid in the navy and off-white. Again, this could be used for masculine layouts. And it looks like there's a repeat in here. Interesting. I wonder if that was a mistake. I wonder if they did that or if there's 2 of each. I don't think there's 2 of each. This is the Scholastic 5 paper, and it has a ton of little pencils that are short and long, and they're just making kind of a little crosshatch. Super, super cute. And then here is that would be good for work too, like if I did a layout about Bab's work, that would be good for that. This is the basically the writing, what did you call those when we were kids? They were like the Scholastic workbooks, and they had the little hippo on them, and these were just like practice writing tablets, I guess, practice writing books. I can't remember the name right off, but you know what I mean. You've seen this. You were a kid at some point. Oh, and there's the second one. So I guess there is 2. I'm kind of confused. I'm looking through these and I don't see repeats of everything. I think they messed up and did repeats in this particular one for these 2 papers, which is fascinating. Wait, no? Oh my gosh, I'm so confused. There is 2 of each. I guess the only ones that are, wait, there's not 2 of those. Now I'm very curious. Wow, so these last little, so there was not a repeat of this or this or this, but from then on there are repeats. I wonder if that's an Authentique Boo Boo. It's gotta be. It wouldn't be the company's Boo Boo. That's so weird. I guess Authentique maybe did this one wrong. But this looks like a ledger paper. This is Scholastic 2 paper, and just looks like a little yellow tablet. Very good for journaling. And then this would be great for sports. Anything related to, you know, boys and more masculine, or maybe even 4th of July if you wanted to do something with that. This is Scholastic 2 and has all the little stars that have that vintage color. And then this is a repeat. I'm fascinated that some of these are repeats and some of them are not. And then this one is a repeat as well for the next one. This is Scholastic number 1. And it is very reminiscent of a quilt. This is actually a quilt pattern. I want to call it Diamonds, but you know, my memory's not the best, so who knows if that's actually the name of it. But I've actually made a quilt like this, and it has all of the little papers in triangles stacked on top of each other. Upside down, inside out, in different, you can make them into triangles. You could fussy cut them into diamonds, you could fussy cut them into triangles, or you could even do, like I'm looking at it geometrically, you could do some really fun long diagonal, what do you call those? I'm always trying to come up with words that I can't remember that I think of when I see it, and then I'm like, oh, I don't know, that was math, that was, who knows, that was many years ago. I forget the names of all those geometric designs, but it's not an octagon or anything simple. It's more of like it's not a common math shape. So anyway, let's move on, shall we? I don't know why I'm trying to figure that out. This one is the backside, which you know I love a good floral. So this has all the little flowers that remind me of vintage, and they are in those same colors but on a dark navy background. So I can use that for summer, I can use that for me, I can even use that for Bab, because you know what, I am not afraid to use female or feminine or florals on Bab's layouts, because guess what, I get to make them, and I can make them however I want. So this is the Scholastic Details sticker sheet, and super, super fun. Love how excited this girl is. Learn and discover. That is fantastic. Student, teacher, new year. That would be cute for the new year. Cute little tabs. Favorite subject, then and now. Maybe I could do one like a picture of True when she was little and it was her first day of school, and now that she's in college, maybe I could do something like that and have a current picture sitting next to an old picture when she used to go to little school, little elementary school. So this is super fun. I love the sticker sheets. Last time I was so excited about the August kit, I forgot I had the sticker sheet, and my first couple of layouts didn't even include the stickers. So now this is fun. This is included in the kit, and this is from Jolie's Boutique, and it has 4 of the clothespins with, this is so adorable. Look at this little, looks like a chemistry set. And then this one looks like a pencil, but it's got the felt on it for the eraser. That is adorable. And the little chalkboard. This even has a little paper airplane coming out of the pencil. Super cute. I love that. This is from Pebbles, and it is toothpick flags, and it has all of the same colors. I'm wondering what, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Let's see what some of these say, because they're stacked. So it says super. This one looks like a wood grain. This is wow. And then we've got polka dots and stripes and a teal. So those are fun. I think they're exact. No, this one says sweet. And this one has stars. This matches the papers very well. This one has measuring tape, more diagonals, a bigger star, and then the one in the back is a green with white polka dot. Boy, they have got this calculated to perfection, how these nestle in together. So that is from Pebbles. And then lastly, I have the chipboard from Bo Bunny. I don't know the name of the collection. It doesn't say. But look at how fun these little icons are. This can be a V for victory, or you could do a W if those were your school colors. That would be nice. Or you could paint them and make them any color you want. And so it's got everything you can imagine: football, baseball, soccer, tennis. I've got some old pictures of London playing tennis. Maybe I'll pull those out, but she was so little. And I don't think I ever got to document it. So there's some lockers and more football. And it is football season. For those of you that like to watch football, this might be a fun kit for you to take some pictures of the hubby while watching his favorite sport. Or maybe it's your favorite sport, who knows. So that is the main kit from scrapbookingstore.com for September. And if you have any questions, just comment below. If you like watching these videos, give me a thumbs up or click the little bell to notify you. And every time I upload, it will give you a notification. My next video will be a scrapbooking share, a scrapbook haul share. So stay tuned for that. I don't know what day I'm going to release it, but I got some goodies in the mail and I will share those next. And then after that, I should have an empty box or a scrapbook process video for you. So there are good things coming down the line. I just wanted to make sure I shared this with you, and hopefully you caught my August 31st video about all of the layouts that I made and what I had left over from the August kit. So that is it. I appreciate you watching. I will talk to you very soon and have new videos coming your way. Ta-ta for now. Bye.